In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix site issues in Brave, update components, adjust shields, clear data, and restart. If YouTube, Google, or another site isn't behaving right in Brave, maybe ads slip through, pages don't load correctly, or videos won't play, these quick fixes usually sort it out. We'll start by making sure Brave's protections are up to date, then fine-tune shields for the site, clear any troublesome site data, and finish with a clean restart. First, update Brave's components. In the address bar, type Brave/components and press Enter. You'll see a list of components Brave uses behind the scenes. Find the one named Brave Adblock Updater, click Check for Update, and give it a moment. If there's a newer filter list or engine tweak, it will download and the status will change to indicate it's up to date. This matters because many site issues come from outdated filter lists rather than the browser itself. Once it's finished, you can close that tab. Next, check your shields on the site that's causing trouble. Open the site, then click the Brave icon in the address bar. Make sure Shields is turned on. If it's already on and you still see problems, change the setting from standard to aggressive. This tightens tracking and ad blocking and often fixes broken elements or pesky pop-ups. Refresh the page after switching. Remember, this setting is site-specific, so you're only changing it for the site you're on and you can set it back later if needed. If the issue persists, clear site data for Google and YouTube from Brave settings. Open Brave settings, go to Privacy and Security, then Site and Shield settings. Find the section that lets you view or manage data stored across sites. Search for Google and YouTube. Open each entry, each files, dash, and clear their stored data and permissions. This step removes old cookies, cached files, and stored permissions that can conflict with updated blocking rules. A quick heads up, clearing site data may sign you out and reset things like autoplay or notification permissions, but it's a reliable way to remove corrupted or stale data. After clearing, restart the browser to apply the change. Finally, perform a full restart of Brave. Close all tabs and every Brave window so the browser is completely shut down, then reopen it. This ensures all component updates, shield changes, and data clears are fully in effect. Now return to the site and test. In most cases, these steps restore proper playback, layout, and blocking. If things look better, you're done. If not, repeat the shields adjustment for that site and make sure component show is up to date.